Hirose Industrial Automation facilitates reliable and fully optimized systems with compact, high-speed, and high-power connectors designed for the demanding environments of robotics, automation, and machinery. The LF and DF62WP series are slim and robust waterproof connectors. The LF series features a robust metal housing that is shielded and sealed for extreme environments. The DF62WP series features a 2-point contact structure and a secure positive lock for vibration resistance, and the smooth contour design simplifies connections in confined spaces. The high-temperature rated DF40 series incorporates a floating design that absorbs misalignment for improved connection. The DF60FS series of right-angle crimp socket connectors integrates a 5-point contact and independent contact spring for secure connectivity. The FH62 series of high FPC retention force connectors improves efficiency and reduces risk in high-speed transmission with a secure positive lock with tactile click and visible confirmation.